Welcome to this tutorial on how to use eToro Markets, a popular online trading platform. To get started, you need to create an account on the eToro website or mobile app. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, verify your email address, and complete the Know Your Customer process. Once your account is set up, you will need to deposit funds to start trading. eToro offers various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically $50, but this may vary depending on your location. To navigate the eToro platform, start by exploring the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and watchlist. The watchlist is where you can add assets you are interested in trading, such as stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, click on the trade button next to the asset you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to invest and set your stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which your position will be automatically closed if the market moves against you, while the take profit is the price at which your position will be closed if the market moves in your favor. eToro also offers a unique feature called copy trading, which allows you to replicate the trades of experienced investors. To use this feature, go to the Copy People section, where you can browse through a list of top traders, view their performance statistics, and allocate funds to copy their trades. In addition to copy trading, eToro offers a range of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and a trading academy. These resources can help you improve your trading skills and stay up to date with market trends. To minimize risks and maximize returns, it is essential to develop a trading strategy and stick to it. This includes setting clear goals, managing your risk, and staying disciplined. It is also important to stay informed about market news and trends, and to continuously monitor your portfolio. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use eToro Markets to achieve your trading goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and to seek help if you need it. With practice and patience, you can become a successful trader on the eToro platform.